It's a 3800 running watt model, and it actually can run off of propane or gasoline. And that was pretty much the biggest selling point for this generator for me. And another bonus is it has an electronic start option. Now, just out of the box, the battery was mostly dead, but this also comes with a pull start handle, so you can have a manual source of starting, and that's what I use to run it and charge the battery. So it's been running for about 30 minutes and the battery should be charged. So let's turn on the propane, turn on the battery, and then start the electronic ignition. All right, well, I'm very impressed with this generator. I think this output is 31 amps at 120 volts. So that's enough for me to run a couple refrigerators, TV, some fans, and some lights. And that's pretty much all I need for an emergency situation. And if I need to, I can unplug the refrigerators and then run a microwave. So really, all the necessities that I would need in a power outage or an extended outage, this generator can handle. So I've got, you know, your outlet types and your circuit breakers. And overall, I'm very impressed with this generator. And I'd say I'd give it 5 out of 5 stars.